want to do, you know?
What? You didn't bring enough for the whole group. I have to teach you about sharing. What about this one?
Are you planning on buying that one?
I was just showing
Put it back on the table before somebody else kicks your ass.
That's some pretty serious equipment. Have you guys taken a safety course? Take you, for instance. You're holding that thing sideways. It'll eject a shell casing right into your face. See? I'm gonna hold on to these while you guys get some more practice.